Hello there, how are you? Hope everyone's well. Finally got back down to Bramley-moore dock and got the latest drone footage which is coming up. If you do like content like this, you can subscribe to our channel, you can leave us a like, any comments or anything like that on this particular video. Lots of traffic in and out of the site today. So we are just flying around. We don't really concentrate on this side too much today because we've done that in the last video. We will be getting round to the south side of the site very soon. So there's lots of conveyance, action coming up. There's workers and cranes on the roof, yes, they're securing more of the roof structure into place. That is all coming up in this video. The main thing I wanted to show you was when we done our live stream on yesterday, Sunday, we were saying about the roof trusses the next lot of roof trusses hadn't been built, and then someone pointed out they were getting built on the inside, so I just wanted to get in and basically bring that to you, show that to you, which is coming up any second now. So as you can see, they're just on the floor. They are currently being built. I think the ones on the left look like they might be ready to go up, and the ones on the right are still under construction. Okay, so we're going to move around towards the south side of the site, the stadium. So I was talking about the fan park. Going to be holding 12,000 people. I've labelled that in this video where that is going to be. So I'm sure there'll be some atmosphere when that happens. I don't know why the camera keeps doing that. It was windy up there today, and it usually happens when it's quite windy. Don't know whether the wind jolts the camera or something like that. Okay. So we showed you these on the live stream. They've started putting these. They look like reflective pieces of glass onto the east side of the stadium. We're just going to move in and get a bit closer because there are people in these cranes to the left working away on the site. So we are going to take a look at that. When it happens, it looked like there was a lot of deliveries today. There was a number of trucks going in and coming out as well. So here we are, these guys look like they're doing some sort of work on the roof structure, and some of them are like doing cherry pickers. So here we go. Let's move on to the next part of this video. Now this is where we start having problems with this flaming wind. It really is. It's hampering this. Really do need it to die down. I tried to get a bit lower to try and get out of the worst part of the wind, but it's just not happening. The weather's meant to be bad on Tuesday the 8th, so we'll get a full update done on the 9th, which is Wednesday of this week. Yeah, there's not much more I can say about it. Take care, and we will see you very soon. It's just a shame the wind has again hampered the video. We'll be back soon. Take care.